For my sustainable development goals, I would say is that the biggest part is climate change. And climate change is not technically just a scientific thing. It can also be explained about in our habits and how we have come accustomed to hurting our planet habitually, like throwing trash everywhere, burning trash, and other things. Now, climate change is no longer a scientific thing. It becomes a behavior to all of us. Over time, it has become harmful not just to us, but also our planet. It has become our daily routine to hurt our planet. We leave lights on unnecessarily, the electricity, and other kinds of stuff. We rely on single-use plastics and bags that will be thrown away unnecessarily. Although we can use them, but it has become a habit to us to just throw them away habitually. Now, what we need to do is not a short-term systematic approach, but a long-term. Something that will change our habits and behaviors. And I think that since we have become so habitual to doing so, we ourselves should try and show the youth, since they will be our future, a better way to approach so that our planet won't be so susceptible to our own habits. We won't have to harm our own planet just because of what we think, or what we think is content to us. This shifts requires education, communication, and involvement to everyone. Strong leadership, especially in schools, so that the youth can also become accustomed to what we should be doing. And I think that in order for us all to finally have a plan, a systematic plan at that, we should have a long term that will turn all of our habits into something that won't really affect or harm our own planet, something that can even boost our own health living, and not just become accustomed to what we are now, and to be better. That is all for my speech. Thank you.